Hi, I'm Smriti. In this video, I'm sharing some tips for parents of special need children. Do you know the importance of parent involvement in the intervention programs? Actually, most of the parents believe that yes, my child got the diagnosis of autism or Down syndrome or any other developmental delays, and so doctors suggested me to do the intervention programs. So I selected the best therapy center that is most costly and the therapist is most experienced, and so I chose this place, and so I think I did the best for my child. But actually, that is not enough. Can you think about a child, a neurotypical child, and he or she doesn't have any special needs, and when the child is 2.3 years or 2.5 years, you will put them to the nursery, and then the child will go like that into the school program. And from the first day, in each stage, you should be with the child to check what all the homeworks provided, what when is the exam, how the child should prepare, and you have to go for the open houses, and you have to get the feedback from the teacher, and the teacher will talk about the marks and the performance. If you are not taking care of all these things, if you are not taking care of your child's academic performance or performance in the school, then what will be the result? Within 5 days or within 1 week, you will get a call from the teacher and will tell what is happening at home. Teacher will ask what is happening at home, why you are not taking care of what is happening with your child. Then think about your special need child. So today, when I was planning for my next webinar, many parents were asking, is this for parents who are doing homeschooling? Because parents are not realizing the fact that parents play an important role for planning a future for your child. For my elder son, he told, I was helping him till 7th standard for his studies, and then I made him independent, and by that time, he was independent enough to handle things and to study by himself and to understand which part he has to focus. And then he told he want to become a doctor, so he want to attempt for NEET. And then me and my husband and my son sat together and planned how to move forward, how to prepare for that, and which are the colleges we need to prefer, and according in that order we have to put the list. Everything we are planning, not his school or his sender. So they will only provide the resources, that's all. And after all, a parent, the child should sit together and should discuss and should plan the future. And for that we need the minimum information about these things. So that was an example I gave. So I should have the informations about the medical colleges and the services they provide, private or government, everything we got the information, and then we decided that. So like that, for our special need children, they need more support from us, so that we should be empowered ourselves. We should have the enough information about the services, about the child's condition, about the needs, and then only you can help your child to move forward. You can't be dependent on the therapy centers or the schools. They will just provide a support system for you. But that support system means that it doesn't mean that that is only thing and lifelong it will go like that. No, they have an age bar, and after that they will tell you that now your child is out of that, so you can take him out. And after that, what will happen? Or most of the time now the child is okay going, sitting simply at home and going, so that you don't have any problem. But when the child started showing behaviors, then you will get worried, you know what to do. And suddenly when you are putting the child to do the activities, of course the child will resist, then you will be in trouble. So I will suggest you parents to understand how to create a structured environment to make your child occupied by themselves meaningfully so that they won't engage in lots of inappropriate behaviors, and you will get a better quality of life. And parent is the best therapist, and love is the best teaching method. So there is no point in finding the most effort. What you believe is, most of the time when the cost is very high, people believe that, oh, that means their support is excellent. There is nothing like that. The cost may be minimal, or maybe high, or maybe medium, or the experts also may be 20 years experience, or 50 years experience, or 10 years experience. They have that limitation to work with a child. That setup is different from the home environment. Why we are teaching all these things to our children? To use it meaningfully for their independent life. That will happen, that set of practice will happen only in the home environment. So it is very important to empower. That is why I did all the courses to understand. I did lots of training programs. I attended many conferences. I presented papers. I also attended the other people's papers to understand about different teaching techniques, what is happening around the world related to these trainings and all, and what are the opportunities provided for our children. Then accordingly we have to train our children to receive that opportunities. So for that, a parent should get the proper training and should be able to understand the child's needs, strengths and difficulties. And that is why I am always trying to train parents instead of giving the sessions with the children. It is very easy for me to give a online session for a child. The child will come, and the parent also at that time should sit. But when I'm doing the interactions in online, very minimal time the child will cooperate, and all the other time, and it will take a long time to reach the goals. But if I'm training a parent, a 1 hour training when I am giving to the parent, and the parent can work with the child for 15 days with the same program, and can use the program when the child is in a good mood, so that you will get the best result, and you are getting the right support from me to understand which is the right way to work with the child. That is why I am always providing parents training programs. So this is the importance of involvement of parents in the training programs. I hope this video will help you to understand about it. Thank you.